Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing some motorcycle maintenance on my Trident 660. I'm going to start by checking the tension of the chain, cleaning it up and then lubing it up. The tools I'll be using are an adjustable spanner, a tape measure, a cleaning brush and a swing arm lifter. I'll also be cleaning it with some WD-40 and then lubing it up with some banana slip motorcycle chain lube. Let's do it. I'm going to start by getting the back wheel off the ground using the swing arm lifter. It can be tricky getting the right angle, so you might have to have a few attempts if you're using one of these. That seems pretty good. Now that the wheel can move freely and I have access to the chain, I'm looking for between 43 and 55 millimeters from this widest part of the swing arm at the bottom to the center of the chain. And I'm going to keep spinning and check all the way around. 45 millimeters, 46, 45, 43, 45, 48. So that's the slackest part. It looks like 48 is the slackest part, which is still well within the 55 limit. So there's no adjustment needed today. I've also got this as a handy little guide. Just a couple of marks I put on an adjustable spanner, 43 millimeters to 55. And then this makes life easier when I come to check it. Okay, I'm going to start by giving it a nice liberal dose of WD-40. All along the chain. And I'm going to give the brush a squirt as well. I'm now going to get into it. Really work it in there. The chain's pretty clean as it is, but you know, can always do with another. Can never be too clean. Get it properly worked in. Put pressure on the front, the back, the sides. Okay, now I'm going to give that a wipe off with a rag. Get as much off as possible, along with the dirt. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to give it a nice squirt of chain lube. And that looks pretty good to me. That's going to do for today, I reckon. If you liked that and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe.